Hello, my name is Teacher Jay and today we are going to do your speaking test, okay? Right. So what's your name?
My name is Henry.
Henry, how old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
How are you?
I'm happy.
You're happy? Yes, you should smile. Alright, so do you have hobbies? What are your hobbies? Do you play soccer or do you play video games?
And play football.
You play football. Alright, very good. In here, can you tell me the 12 months of the year?
January, February, March, April, June,
May,
May, June, December,
July,
July, September,
August,
August, September,
October.
October, November, December.
Very good. Next, so in here, we have Omar, Ella, Lisa, and Tom, but we're going to talk about this one, Omar. What does Omar want to make? He wants to make
Will,
an omelette. What does he need? He needs some.
and me.
Good job. So here, this picture here. Number 1. Where is the park? It's
It
across
goes
from the.
from the movie theater.
Very good. This picture here. Where is the school? The park. I'm sorry. Where's the park? Is
Is school
between.
between the school and movie theater.
Job, okay. School and the movie theater. What are they doing at the movie theater?
Doing
They are
they are watching
watching a movie.
movie theater.
They're watching a movie.
Watching a movie.
Where does the cashier work? Where does the cashier work? The cashier works at the
At the
supermarket.
supermarket.
Where does the salesperson work?
The salesperson work
At
at the
the.
department.
What does the cook do?
The cook to
Make.
make cook.
The cook make food. Okay. So Ilmi says, what's the matter with her? She
She
has
has
a.
a coat.
What's the matter with him?
She has
She, are you sure? She.
he has the fever.
He has a
He has
fever.
a fever.
Let's talk about Mike and his family here. Who are they?
They is
Grandparents. Who is he?
he
His.
his uncle.
Whose fork is that? It's
It's
mine. Whose plate is that?
Itchy.
Yours. It's
It's
yours. How do you use chopsticks? Like this. Like this. How do you use knife? How do you use knife? Like this. You say like this. Next. Okay, so what's this? Country.
Japan,
Alright.
Vietnam,
Okay.
Thailand, Philippines,
South Korea.
South Korea,
Oh, and this one last.
Canada.
Right. Let's talk about this one here. Where
Where
from?
Japan, where Japan,
Yes, Japanese. This is our flag.
Japan,
Japan's
is white,